Hi guys! Welcome to our Money Express YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit that like button, also subscribe to our channel. In this video, we will talk about top 5 apps that pay you to scan receipts. So make sure to watch the full video. Groceries are one of the biggest variable expenses for most people. To help you offset that cost, there are apps where you can scan receipts for money. And since we all need to eat, why not get some money back by scanning your receipts? What are the best apps that pay you to scan receipts? 1. ReceiptPal. 2. Fetch Rewards. 3. CoinOut. 4. Checkout 51. 5. Receipt Hog. 1. ReceiptPal. One of the most flexible ways to earn money by scanning receipts is with ReceiptPal. Unlike the other apps listed here, you earn points for each uploaded receipt. And the best part is that it can be from almost any store. Here are some unusual locations: convenience stores, car dealerships, gas stations, clothing stores, travel and recreation. In addition to scanning grocery receipts, you earn points with most other non-grocery purchases. These include oil changes, buying a cup of coffee, or booking a hotel room. After submitting 4 receipts, you earn 100 points. You can earn up to 300 points, 12 receipts each week. You have 3 days from the end of the current month to submit your receipts. For instance, if you purchase in October, you have until November 3rd to upload a copy of the receipt. ReceiptPal will not accept your purchase receipt if it is one of your regular monthly bills, a mortgage payment or electric. Also, making payments with PayPal or eBay or Groupon and game sites is not eligible. Other than that, your normal monthly spending is eligible. 2. Fetch Rewards. If you like to buy name brand items, you can earn rewards points with the Fetch Rewards app. Usually, receipt scanning apps don't include local mom and pop stores. However, if you buy brand names, then you are in luck to scan away. How it works: Fetch Rewards only requires your store to provide an itemized receipt. You will earn rewards points for each item you purchase with an active offer. For each dollar spent, you earn 10 points. These points are redeemable for Visa gift cards, retail gift cards, or future grocery visits. 3. CoinOut. Do you buy groceries at Walmart or Sam's Club? This app pays you a flat 1.8% back on all food purchases. Fans of the TV series Shark Tank may well remember CoinOut. You don't have to redeem any offers. CoinOut only requires you to upload store receipts. Available on iOS and on Android. If you buy groceries at Walmart or Sam's Club, CoinOut gives you rewards points, and you can use other apps to redeem single item offers to boost your earnings. Right now, it doesn't work at other stores that sell groceries, but you can also get cash back at non-food retail partners. These include eBay, Office Depot, Hotels.com, and others. There isn't a minimum to receive payment via direct deposit or Amazon gift cards. With a $10 rewards balance, you can request PayPal payment. 4. Checkout 51. Checkout 51 is available to US and Canadian grocery shoppers. The offers update each Thursday and are available on a first-come, first-served basis. So if you wait too long to claim it, the offer may no longer be available. Also, you must scan all receipts by Wednesday at 11:59 p.m. in your time zone. Once the weekly offers reset, you can't claim last week's offers. While some offers are store-specific, you can redeem almost all of them at any store in person or online. After activating the offers, buy the item and upload a copy of the receipt to Checkout 51. People like using Checkout 51 because you can browse offers from your computer in addition to the mobile app. 5. Receipt Hog. Receipt Hog tries to make grocery and non-grocery shopping fun with its interactive app. You might consider this app because you get paid for shopping at any retail store. Even when you don't buy a single grocery item, you earn rewards, but most offers are for grocery stores. After shopping, snap a picture of your receipt and wait for Receipt Hog to credit you with rewards coins. What makes Receipt Hog fun is the multiple ways to earn bonus points. You get free spins each time you upload a receipt or refer a friend to join Receipt Hog. And you can also earn extra coins by taking paid surveys or by attempting challenges like uploading a certain amount of receipts in a single month. What do you think of our video? Let us know in the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button. Also, subscribe to our channel before you go.